Hey everyone, welcome back to No Nonsense Airbnb. Today I'm flipping the script on something you might dread: negative reviews. But guess what? They might just be the secret ingredient to boosting your business. And how? Let's find out. Opposite to popular belief, negative reviews could actually be a good thing for your vacation rental for a number of reasons. Firstly, bad reviews provide feedback from which to improve and correct any problems that might exist surrounding your property or the services you offer to customers. As a result, this can help you to reduce complaints in the future as well as improving overall customer satisfaction. Secondly, negative reviews can be an effective way to show future customers that your business is transparent and trustworthy. If a negative review is managed well and appropriate measures are put in place to ensure that the problem mentioned in the review isn't repeated, you can demonstrate to your customers that your business is willing to listen and take customer reviews on board. And finally, this one you will find interesting. Negative reviews can make your online profile look more authentic. If all reviews left are positive, then this can appear suspicious and work against you as customers start to doubt their validity. On the other hand, a balanced mix of positive and negative reviews can generate more realistic and trustworthy impression. Customers don't trust five-star ratings. People in general aren't very trusting, especially those prepared to spend large amounts of time and money searching for a vacation rental for their next holiday. Simply put, a vacation rental with only five-star reviews is viewed as simply too good to be true. What might be considered as common sense is also supported by a study undertaken by Northwestern Medill. They show that a mix of positive and negative reviews generates credibility. In general, a bit of bad reviews can be seen as an asset, but there is a limit. Too many can end up damaging it. The issue is ultimately how to find the perfect balance between good and bad reviews. A study carried out by Uberall shows that the best conversion rate can be seen with properties that have been awarded an average rating of 4.6 and 4.9 stars. An average rating of 4.9 stars provides the highest conversion rate, is what this study found. However, with no negative reviews and an average of 5 stars, the conversion rate falls to a level equivalent to that of a property with an average score of just 4.5 stars. And it may seem like contradiction. Negative reviews actually help customers in making their decisions. By reading the worst reviews of a property, customers can determine what are perceived to be the worst case scenario. One customer, for example, gave a low score because a vacation rental is located on the third floor without access to an elevator. Another client, however, may not consider this to be an impediment, but in fact an opportunity to do some exercise while they're staying there. So, to sum up, stop worrying about that ignorant guest who didn't think much of you or your property while giving that less than 5-star rating. They may have just given exactly what your listing needed to increase its booking. But don't forget to reply to the reviews and, most importantly, bad ones. I hope you find this video insightful. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something that is troubling you. Until next time, happy hosting.